Yo, what is going on, everyone in the XRP community? Hope you guys are having yourselves a fantastic day today, as usual. Buying the dip, because that's the only way you're having a fantastic day today is if you're buying the dip. I mean, in all reality, dude, this really isn't like that bad of a liquidation event. I mean, the market is for sure just overreacting from this tariff FUD, which I understand when you bring temporary uncertainty to the markets. Like, yeah, okay, they're going to freak out a bit. We still have yet to see what stocks are going to do. So do be paying attention tomorrow on Monday, what the stock market ends up doing, because basically it's just crypto's going to be following stocks tomorrow. That's again just my prediction. That's what I think is going to happen. But I mean, this liquidation event, I mean, it's not like that bad. It's not like that scary. I mean, XRP did get to some pretty crazy lows, but the market started to call bullshit at about 250 per one XRP, and that's where the big size came back in, scooped it up to 267, even ran it all the way up to like 272. Now we're kind of fighting back down here again, but it's like, dude, this really isn't like that bad of a liquidation event. I mean, good God. I mean, I'm sure you guys know who've been with me on the channel for years and years and years. Man, you know those liquidation events where we would wake up and like the whole market is down like 35%. That's a real like a COVID crash or something crazy like that. But I mean, this really isn't like all that bad. I mean, Bitcoin down 4%, Ethereum down 8%, XRP down 10%, Solana down 6%. I mean, it's really like not, this isn't that bad. Like, honestly, like, this is kind of a walk in the park for crypto. XRP did get like the bigger liquidation for sure, but I mean, we're up like 500% in the last 3 months. So it's like, of course, we're going to get, more turbulence because we have like the bigger, expansion in price over the last 3 months. But it's like, honestly, guys, I mean, when in doubt, zoom out. I mean, there you go. It's like, we're fine. We're really fine. This is just that, when you're in the middle of a parabolic expansion that is literally face melting. I mean, yeah, you got these big pullbacks along the way, and then the market goes ahead and uses that for a good point of entry and get ready for the next leg up. I mean, look at back here in the 2021. Good Lord, guys. I mean, we had the Ripple started buying XRP back here. We kind of started to get like bullish news back here. Remember, the lawsuit came in. We went from 85 cents to 17 cents, and then 78 to 36, and then $2, then 52. And it's like, yeah, during those movements, like you get, I mean, this really isn't even, I take that back. This really isn't even a parabolic movement for XRP. What is a parabolic movement for XRP is this back here. And like, look, just along the way, even at the very beginning, right? At the very beginning of the movements, you had some crazy XRP from 1 cent back down to an eighth of a penny, and then all the way down to like, about half of a penny again, and then, 7 pennies, and 2.5, it's all over, and then 4 cents, and then back down to 12. So it's like when we have these big parabolic extensions, like, yeah, we got some crazy turbulence along the way, which is what we want to see. It's a beautiful thing, to not see XRP just flatlined and doing nothing back here. Don't get me wrong, great accumulation points for XRP investors, buying the bottoms, getting the point of maximum financial opportunity, right? So it's like, today is really not that big of a deal. It's kind of a nothing burger, really. Like, I don't want to make this video like too political or anything, because tariffs are a very hot topic right now, and everyone's a tariff expert suddenly on Twitter. But I mean, I really think it's kind of a nothing burger. I mean, like, yeah, there's going to be some trade, wars, levies back and forth, going to be raising and, kind of competing. Like, oh, well, if you're going to raise your tariffs, I'm going to raise my tariffs. You're going to add tariffs here. Oh, I'm going to do it here too. So, I mean, it's just some geopolitical whatever. Now, again, I have viewers from all around the world on the channel, but as an American citizen, the reason for these tariffs even coming in the first place is that this is going to end up taking the burden off of American citizens with income tax, and it seems like Trump is going to end up abolishing the income tax, and that is going to put a lot of money into the pockets of American consumers, driving economic growth, and then people are going to start, being incentivized to be purchasing domestic products rather than foreign, we can really start getting some good things going on in America. I don't want to get too deep into that because I know I have a lot of viewers outside of America on the channel, but the reason why I'm stoked about it is that, like, okay, Trump's plan to get rid of our federal income tax, where they're taking, 20 to 40% of what we make, flushing it down the toilet to the IRS. But now he's coming in and going, hey, you know what? We're going to start charging other countries that want to come and sell into our market, which is a very profitable market to sell into, and get rid of our income tax. And, like, yeah, so right now there's like uncertainty about this trade war tariffs, but what if, like, a couple weeks from now, next month, Trump comes in and goes, okay, federal income tax, gone. Don't pay it. That is going to be a massive, massive boost to the U.S. equity markets, and I do believe crypto. So it seems like right now we're just getting some short-term, temporary uncertainty. Media doing what the media does. I got a fear monger. Oh my God, your avocados are going to be 30 cents more. Oh my God, your gas is going to be 40 cents more. But it's like, dude, I don't give a shit. My gas was $10 a gallon, but I had no income tax. Dude, I wouldn't fucking care at that point. Maybe a bit of an exaggeration, but yeah, I'm genuinely, like, I'm excited to see what Trump ends up doing with this. This seems like part one of, the removing the income tax. I don't know if you guys can already tell. I fucking hate the IRS. I think we all hate the IRS collectively, right? So it's like a temporary uncertainty for, like, a really good long-term golden 4 years in the United States, which for United States cryptocurrency like XRP, which and a lot of other cryptocurrencies which have a lot of U.S. investors, you get those same investors with more money in their pockets. We got more money coming into crypto stocks, assets, ETF. I mean, it's just, we can really get ourselves into another golden age of America where, we're a rich country again, and people aren't living paycheck to paycheck, and people got a lot more capital for themselves because the income tax is bye-bye. How's that going to affect, American cryptocurrency? I mean, this could get into a really, really good thing where we kind of turn into a, prospering country again. Anyways, yeah, this is a XRP YouTube channel, not a political YouTube channel. But I mean, what the politics are doing is, affecting, our precious, precious XRP. But yeah, guys, this liquidation event, I really wouldn't even worry about it. My only fear, is that tomorrow we go even lower. We take another hit of like 220, 215, like a Bitcoin 90K, and Ethereum 2700, a Solana 180. Like, there is the potential tomorrow, as the as the business week comes up, we could get hit harder tomorrow. But basically it's just like whatever stocks are going to be doing tomorrow, that's exactly what crypto is going to be doing. So I don't see why stocks would go up tomorrow. I mean, it's like, look, it's just a temporary uncertainty FUD for like a long term, like, dude, this is going to be really good for America, right? But yeah, guys, XRP, when in doubt, zoom out. We're back testing here. Liquidation event. We've seen much, much worse in XRP history, but this is exactly what we want to see with XRP. Big swings up, big swings down, followed by bigger swings up, followed by bigger swings down. XRP is turning into an action-packed speculative asset that is going to attract a lot of liquidity and a lot of traders to be coming here because XRP is moving so gosh dang much. All right. So let me know how you guys are feeling down in the comments below. Are you scared right now? Is this like bothering you? I mean, I'm not going to check my portfolio. I'm just not going to look at it. It's like, you can't take a loss you don't sell, right? But in the street today, people seemed like, there were a couple of people that were like fear mongering, like a XRP, like, oh, XRP is going to go down to $1.20. And it's like, yeah, in your dreams, you're never going to get an entry like that, bro. There's no way. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments how you guys are feeling. I mean, for me, I'm really unaffected. I mean, I don't really care. It doesn't bother me. I mean, to actually see crypto like move and do something crazy on the weekends it's kind of fun. But if tomorrow, if we get like a worse liquidation event, like round 2, that's going to be a little unsettling. Still, I have the same bull thesis on XRP. It's just, you ain't selling until it can retire you, because this is going to be the future of a global reserve asset and will allow the world to connect seamlessly. XRP is going to be the oil of the new financial industry. All right. So basically, summary of the video, guys. Today, not a big deal. Overreacting, in my opinion. But tomorrow, Monday, yeah, pay attention. Pay attention tomorrow. It's going to be like 6:30 a.m., for my folks in Cali with the In-N-Out Burger. Love In-N-Out Burger. Great burgers. 6:30 for California, I believe, Central. 8:30 in the morning, East Coast. 9:30, obviously. Yeah, watch the stock market open tomorrow. Might get some crazy shit going on, and it's going to be action-packed, fellas. So strap in. Let's march forward as an army into tomorrow and see what we have to face. Do we get a crazy, just golden rebound V-shaped recovery back to $3? Or do we got, we got round 2 of the boxing match where we're going to start going a little deeper. We'll see, fellas, but no matter what, dude, XRP is incredibly strong. The super cycle is just beginning. Got some really good times coming ahead of us, guys. All right. So, temporary turbulence, long term, bullish. See you guys in the next one, all right? Peace.